Hello, I'm Anushri Patil, a 20-year-old startup enthusiast and third-year mechanical engineering student of National Institute of Technology, Surat. Currently, like most of us, I'm attending college via online mode from my hometown, Vadodara, Gujarat. In 2020, my very first startup idea of a web-based financial aggregator got selected in the first round of Government of India's initiative Startup India. Starting a business from scratch excites me, combining this spark with my passion to find a sustainable solution to the ever-looming problem of waste management in our rapidly developing country has led me to the following proposal. My idea is to act as a waste broker for kitchen organic compostable waste generated by food industry establishments in the city and creating a robust network to facilitate an eco-friendly and sustainable waste management while also generating a profit. What led me to think about this problem area was that I repeatedly saw garbage strewn around on roads that overflowed dustbins, which indicated improper waste handling. Eventually, this waste is dumped in dump yards. Here, all kinds of waste, biodegradable electronics, construction debris, hazardous biomedical wastes are dumped unsegregated. A report by IIT Kanpur found the potential of recovering at least 15% or 15,000 million tons of waste generated every day in the country. There lies a great potential in reusing and reducing this waste. The first step towards efficient waste management handling would be to segregate biodegradable waste at source. I called a few restaurants and a 4-star hotel in my city, and I asked them how they disposed their kitchen wastes, to which all of them replied that they gave it away to a waste transporter who discarded it in the dump yards. It was then that I realized if somehow I was able to make an arrangement to collect the kitchen waste and transport it to biogas plants and composting facilities, a lot of waste could avoid a trip to the dump yards. Therefore, I propose the following business model. First, the app's dashboard will comprise the following. In order to use the app, the user is required to register with us. The user must enter their location for collection purpose. They must also enter the expected quantity of waste that will be generated so that it will help us determine the size of trucks, vehicles to be sent for collection. The app will give weekly, monthly waste generation updates. It will also give out progress made and relevant statistics. The second part includes the collection and transportation of this waste to biogas plants and compost units near Vadodara. I plan to identify and involve prospective partners such as municipal corporations and other waste value chain enterprises to leverage their infrastructure outreach and process efficiency. This will help minimize the transportation and operations cost. Third, the app will also provide a platform for the compost unit companies and biogas plants to offer their organic products. Now, I offer the following value propositions. First, for app users, ease of scheduling waste pickup through app. They can also track their waste production, receive analytics on environmental and financial impacts and can work on reducing waste. Second, for end processing units, that is biogas plants and compost units, they will have the convenience of segregated waste at source only. It will also eliminate the need to procure waste from various sources as we offer them one-stop solution. App will also provide them with a platform for selling their organic products. Third, for society, inclusion of rag pickers and waste collectors in the formal sector. Waste collectors to have personal protective equipment for the occupational hazard. They will also have regular health checkups, insurance and a hygienic environment to work in. Fourth, for environment, it will help us derive value out of waste. Lesser waste will now make the trip to landfills. Next, the various type of expenses to be borne are transportation costs, salaries of on-site team, equipment for waste handling, app developers fees, app release on Play Store, app development maintenance fees, rental fees of waste collection trucks, advertising and marketing charges and other miscellaneous charges. The source of our income will be charges levied on delivering segregated organic waste to biogas plants and compost units and commission on hosting organic products offered by compost unit companies and biogas plants. Higher initial investments, lower returns in the beginning, and difficulty in building partnerships with municipals due to different levels of bureaucracy are few of the challenges that I will face in the course of my implementation. Lastly, my future goals are, I plan to extend these services to household kitchen wastes. I hope to make technological partnerships with enterprises. I plan on working on R&D in making our own waste handling units. And finally, one of the major goals my initiative may serve is to provide employment to women through vocational training. Thank you.